Firstly, I went into this white face paint and I just mapped out this section of my face, which was the area I wanted it to look like it had been sprayed on. Using a kabuki brush, I then went and painted the rest of my face white. I then went into Diamond FX black face paint and started to paint on the typical skull features. So I painted on the eyes and coloured that in, and then I put some contact lenses in. I added foundation to the middle section of my face, and then I went into the Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow palette and I used the black eyeshadow and just started to define the skull's features. I did my regular makeup off camera, and then I started to add some more definition to the skull by adding these cracks in black, and I also painted in the teeth. I then went back into the white face paint and just added more around the edges just to add some definition. To create this sprayed on splattered effect, I used a foundation a few shades darker than my skin and added dots around the edge, and then I went in with a white face paint and added dots on top of the foundation.